Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your support. Please click on the red icon to subscribe if this is your first time stopping by to our channel. Please do not go without subscribing. Okay, alright, so today we shall be looking at how to make a short flay gown, button down flay gown. Okay, alright, so I'll be using this fabric for it. This is 4 yards of those beautiful fabrics. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to cut down the down part before cutting out the upper part. Okay, so here I have to fold this. Using our 90 degrees method. Okay, just get the tip of it. Okay, get the tip of it, then just fold in a triangular form. For the length you're working with is 60 inches and the half length is 16 inches. So 60 minus the 16, we'll be having 44 inches left. So here I'll be cutting 45 inches. Okay, after folding it, the next thing is for us to get our half length. Okay, the half length, the circumference, the waist measurement is 34 inches. So we are going to be dividing it into 4. So the 34 divided by 4 will be giving us 8.5 inches. So here we have to take our 8.5 inches. So here you place your tape this way. 8.5. So I'll be adding extra 1 inch for ease. Okay, making it 9.5. So when you get that, make a straight line. Okay, so from this line now, okay, so here we have our 9.5. So from this line now, we take our full length. Okay, so I have to take our full measurement, which is 45 inches. So I'm going to mark that 45 inches all around, taking your tape at this 9.5 that we mark here. So I'm going to be shifting it so that I'll be getting the 45 inches here. Sorry, the table I'm using is short. I think I can't get all the view, but just follow what I said and you will get it right. Okay, just follow it and take the measurements. I'm just struggling to get this. Okay, so after cutting it out, we have this. So I'm going to use this now to cut out the second one. Okay, I'm going to use this to cut out the second one, which is the back. Then after, I will tear one piece out. I'll just cut it the same way I cut this one. Okay, having cut this, just go ahead to cut this out. I also cut out the same length. So here I have the front and the back. So I'll just go ahead to tear off one at the midpoint. So I'll just tear it from up to down. So I have this now open out. So I'll just keep this aside. Let's work on the upper part. Okay, I'll be cutting the front before the back. I won't be cutting it together, so we can be able to save some fabrics. Okay, so here my measurement will be starting from this point. The half length you're working with is 16 inches. And I'll add extra 1 inch to make it 17 inches. Yes, we are making a shirt gown, I remember. And for that, we are supposed to add allowance for the button, but I want to attach an extra fabric to it, so therefore I will be cutting this without any cut. And after that I will now tear it open and attach the same way we do for the down part, and attach what we use for the casing of the button. So here the shoulder I'm working with is 16 inches into 2 to give us 8 inches. I will add extra ½ inch to it to make it 18.5. Then I will mark 3 inches for our shoulder slope. 3 inches for the shoulder slope. Then from this 8.5, we'll come down by 1 inch. Then the armhole we are working with is 18 inches into 2 to give us 9 inches. So I'll mark my 9 inches here. So here the bust I'm working with is 40 inches into 2 to give us into 4 to give us 10 inches. So I'll mark my 10 inches and I'll add allowance of 1.5 inches. Okay, I'll add an allowance of 1.5. The waist I'm working with is 34 inches into 4 to give us 8.5. And I'll also add allowance of 1.5 inches. So I'm going to connect this. Half of this is 4.5. I'll just use this now to connect this to my bust measurement. Then this 1 inch now, we are going to connect it to the, we're going to connect this to this 1 inch. Okay, so that's for the neckline. I'll be using 3 inches for the neck width, 3 inches for the neck width. Remember, it has a bishop collar at the neck. Okay, the neckline will be have a bishop collar. So the front, I'll be using 3.5 inches. No, just 3 inches would be. Okay, 3 inches. I won't cut this neckline out now because I want to use this to cut out the back. So I'll use this like so to cut out the back piece. Okay, so here I have my 2 pieces. I'll be just minusing ½ inch from the back. Now go ahead now to tear this open. Okay, so here I have everything cut out. This is our pocket. I've also cut our sleeve. Okay, I've done a tutorial on how to cut a basic sleeve, so I'll be putting it on the description part. You can just click on it and watch. So here I've cut out my strip for the keyhole where we'll be putting the casing, for the button casing. Okay, so here I have one white and one black, and I also have one white and one black for the down part also. So I have one white and one black also for the down part. So I'll just go to the machine now and attach them. But first I'll use my iron. Okay, fold those equal. I'll use my iron, fold those equal. Okay, use half an inch to bend it again so that it will be easy for me to attach this part. Okay, then also for what we'll be using for the bishop collar, after joining the back and the front, I will take the measurement round from those parts, from the neckline. Okay, round to the back. Okay, I'll just take my measurement from this edge, but before I take the measurements, I must have attached this piece there. Okay, so I will take my measurement from here round to the back neckline to this other part. Okay, so I'll just go to the machine and do that. This is the end product. Okay, so thank you so much for watching till the end. So we'll meet in my next class.